told your friend
Samahan nyo
you're
kami dito
not
sa
okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fade away until I look away. But I've known you too long. It hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
So yun, good morning mga part. Rides na kami papuntang Bagak, Bataan kasama ang R-Series. So yun, nintay na ako ni Jassel at ni William. Meet up namin sa Kantong Madapdat is 5:30. So yun nga, 6 na ako nakalis dito sa Concepcion. Kaya bilis na lang natin. Let's go! Nandito na kami sa Angeles. Kasama ko na sila Jassel at
May tools ka dyan? Slice.
so yun mga part, dito na kami sa Bataan at dito kami nagkita-kita. Lagpas na ito ng dinalupihan. Bali kasama pala namin dito GTR Gapo Truck Rider. Yan, mga nagtatrack yan mga yan. So yun, take off na kami mga part. Ride safe sa amin. Let's go. Samahan nyo kami dito sa Bagak, Bataan.
Haba, buta na, hindi kaya tumpukin to. Mauna ako. Ginawa ko itong mga to.
So yun, dito kami sa 7-Eleven ay Bagak. Bali saan? Water break muna at gas up.
Ano?
Ang bibilis.
Ang bibilis daw, sabi niya.
So yun, take off na kami ulit mga part. Ride safely sa amin. Punta na kami sa Baga Viewpoint.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away. Cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away.
Think I need help, I'm going through hell. I fake like I'm fine, but I know you can't tell. Like nothing I felt, my mind overwhelms. I think that I'm broken, but I hope you can't help. I know I'm not perfect, but some days I feel more worthless. Baby, you make me feel nervous. If I still have you, I have purpose. It's all worth it.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. I guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away.
Tatalpad ka agad tayo ng drone. Naka-pending pa pala.
Marami yung isang Bicol Express. Oh, yung chicken na saan lang po. Yung chicken na saan.
Mamaya.
Hindi tayo sa agad.
Ilang minuto yun? Ilang minuto daw yun?
Sa isang mission tawan.
Ilang minuto?
Isa yung fried chicken, no?
Yan lang, pasapak siya.
Yung isa kanina. Alis ka na ba? Laki nito.
Boy, ay ano yan, sige yata.
Laki.
Hindi. Ang ganda yung fried chicken.
Mahilig sa aso yung mayari. Ay, meron pang ano. Ay,
Ay.
kadabi nilang...
May guard dog.
Kasang pinarita nga siya, oh. Dito, may mga alagang aso na dito.
Hello. Tsaka kagatin yan.
Dog lover tayo eh.
Yan o. Yan naman yung mga kasama namin ngayon.
Alam mo si... Doon ako nag-buy dito mo. Sabi ko sa Felix, ano na 2.5. Sige, pag pinabuy ko ng 2.5 sa Rabila, ano, sige. May niya. Pero sina Perer, mga laki. Ano ang podium talaga sila? Na hindi ka na sa kanila.
Pagkano pa? Gusto na yan? Si William.
Wala na naman siya.
Saan ako magmamay din?
Di ako pinabayaan mo ngayon. Sabi siya, Robert, matulog ka dito. Pinaka-pilete na lang siguro. Magkano kasama. Nandun si Masoli.
Kaya hindi pa lang nag-picture tatlo, no?
Wala na siya. Ngayon?
Sa drone shot.
Natulog kami na.
Ha? Motor?
Oo.
So sa mga pupunta dito, ayan, pwede makakainan dito, lutong bahay. Napakamura lang ito. Ito yung mga menu nila. Pinuha namin yung bistik, tapos self-service na kape. 3-in-1. Meron din silang barako, mga part. Tapos na natin kumain. And nagpalipad tayo ng drone.
Yung radar sa likod. Pagka...
Ayan, depende lang sa gulong siguro. Sa driver?
Oo, nasa driver.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed. The glass so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
May mga aso pala dito. Uy, ang kakamata.
So ayan, sa mga pupunta nga pala dito, yan, perfect na perfect para sa mga mahilig sa mga views tsaka sa mga ganitong scene. Parang nasa New Zealand lang mga part.
Parang ito eh, New Zealand. New Zealand.
So ayan, habang naghihintay kami at nagpapahinga dito, nagpa picture or kuha mo na ng video mga kasama natin. Ayan, paingat lang naman sila mga part. At pauwi na nga kami mga part. Salamat sa mga nanood. Like and share na. Hanggang sa muli. Ingat.